Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about chemistry one-liner questions for HP TET non-medical and medical part 4. So first question is acid used to remove ink and rust stains is oxalic acid. Next is natural source of gamma rays is radon gas. अगला क्वेश्चन है which is known as stranger gas is xenon. Next question is element with lowest electron affinity argon. Next question is what is the base of modern periodic table is atomic number. ये वाला क्वेश्चन हमारा जून 2021 वाले टैट में पूछा गया था. Next is ruby and sapphires are also known as aluminium oxide Al2O3. Next is gas used in Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984 is methyl isocyanate. ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी टैट 2021 जून में पूछा गया था. Next question is metal with highest density is platinum. Next is material suitable for purification of water is zeolites. Next is permanent hardness of water can be removed by sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Next is main constituent of vinegar is acetic acid. Acetic acid का फॉर्मूला है CH3COOH. अगला क्वेश्चन लेते हैं सोडा वाटर कंटेन्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. balloons are filled with gas is helium. balloons में कौन सी गैस होती है? हीलियम गैस. अगला सवाल है what is used in the storage batteries is lead Pb. main constituent of cement is limestone. in vulcanization natural rubber is heated with sulfur. Next is what is used in the rubber tires as filler is carbon black. Next question is main constituent of gobar gas is methane CH4. Next is cooking gas is mixture of means LPG gas is mixture of butane and propane. Next is which is known as white vitriol is ZnSO4. 7H2O is zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate is known as white vitriol. Next is which fertilizer has more nitrogen content is यूरिया. यूरिया में सबसे ज़्यादा मात्रा में होता है नाइट्रोजन. litmus papers is obtained in labs from lichens. Next is food wrapped in paper is unhealthy due to lead contained in it. Next question is what is metamorphic rock is slate. Next is what is the best conductor of electricity is salt water. Next is which of the rays has least penetrating power is alpha rays. And which of the rays has most penetrating power is gamma rays. Next question is which element of group 17 is radioactive is astatine. Group 17 means halogen family उसमें जो एक एसिटाइन नाम का एलिमेंट है वो रेडियो एक्टिव होता है। नेक्स्ट इज केमिकली इनएक्टिव गैस इन एटमोस्फेयर इज आर्गन। Next question is which element has two electrons in its K shell only? Is helium. Next question is which gas is predominant in sun? यानी सन में सूरज में कौन सी गैस सबसे ज्यादा होती है? वो है हाइड्रोजन। Which gas is essential in photosynthesis? Is carbon dioxide. Next question is which has similar mass to the electron? Is positron. Next, what is called philosopher's wool? Is zinc oxide. Next is in the leaf of tobacco what is found? Is nicotine. Next is which is the most soluble in water? Is sugar. Which metal pollutes the air of a city? Is lead. Next is element found in the largest amount in human body. Oxygen. Which is the non-ferrous metal? Is aluminium. Formula of gypsum salt is CaSO4 2H2O. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Next is formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. IC chips in computer are made up of silicon. Next is which gas is used for refrigeration? Is freon. It is also called chlorofluorocarbon. Next is which metal can be cut through knife? Is sodium. Next is element can be best characterized by their atomic number. Next is what is used in preparing matchsticks? Is red phosphorus.